Brinda Adighe with us as well. Brinda Adighe, as far as the latest news now emerging in the case is concerned, a lot of people have the same question, that it's not adding up. Something is not adding up. But at the same time, do we also have to look at the fact that there were certain circumstances that were created within the household that may have pushed Nikki to take her own life?
Well, that is something I think we'll have to leave it entirely to the police, because whatever the police come up in their investigation, they have to corroborate it with forensic evidence. But everything said and done, I think it is important that those small video clips that have been put out by Kanchan needs to be taken into consideration. She was assaulted, she was physically manhandled, and there was nobody trying to separate anyone. It was the husband and it was the mother-in-law who were all ganging up on her, and we couldn't see anybody else coming to her rescue, which means that there was attempt to murder. Yeah, if we are looking at it from that technical point of view, then it is attempt to murder. And within that ambit, let us say that there are some stories that the mother-in-law came with some inflammable liquid and gave it to this son of hers and poured it on the daughter-in-law, and then he lit the fire, or what happened. So all of that needs to be taken into consideration. But everything said and done, I think we must not forget that this harassment to bring money from your home, to bring jewelry, to give car, to give two-wheeler, to set up a shop for business, all of that is dowry. There's no need for anyone to say, give me dowry. It is, what have you brought from your mother's house? When are you bringing this? You have given birth to a girl, boy baby. So when am I getting this? You give birth to a boy baby. The kind of patriarchal, misogynistic society that we are in, the woman and her family will be continuously burdened. And they will not come out and talk about it because it is a matter of family prestige and respect and the status and all of that. Secondly, even if they complain about Nikki, there is a huge problem of Kanchan, who has to still continue to live in that same house. So all of these taken into considerations, you're not going to be making the in-laws as the monsters or the enemies. You want to tread on eggshells. And that's what they have been doing all this while. They never thought that they would ever reach this space where she will be murdered and killed. So let's not get into speculations. Let us address this issue. There was torture, there was brutality, there was trauma extended in the name of dowry. And it happened since 2016. And if you start calculating, you will find she hasn't even turned 18. So it's almost child marriage.